the very north of Ireland. We're on top of Mount Errigal, which is the highest point in Donegal, and today I have some very exciting news to bring to you that I will be partnering with Artlist. This is a one-stop shop for content creators, providing absolutely amazing assets that I'm very excited to use this year.
Artlist is a creative technology company providing cutting-edge creative tools and digital assets that inspire creation. Having tried multiple companies for audio in my projects, I truly believe that Artlist has the highest quality and best choice in music. I especially love Artlist search features that make it incredibly simple to find the perfect soundtrack for your projects. Artlist also provides SFX, footage, templates, plugins, together with editing software to provide creators with a full solution to content creation. Artlist subscriptions start as low as $9.99 per month, and they are currently offering my viewers 2 months free when you sign up. Check out the video description below for more details. This year, I wanted to step up my YouTube game to bring you higher quality videos, and with the help of Artlist, I'm excited to make that happen.